The first calculating device was what?
Abacus.
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 Abacus. The first fully electronic computer was known as what?
ENIAC.
ENIAC.
Very good.
ENIAC.
ENIAC. Full form?
Electronic
Electronic numerical integrator and
Numerical.
computer.
Electronic numerical integrator and calculator.
calculator.
Analytical
Computer.
engine was invented by whom?
Charles Babbage.
Charles Babbage.
Charles Babbage. The data stored in a computer are called what? Information.
Information.
The first mechanical adding machine was invented by whom? First
Abacus.
mechanical adding machine. Blaise Pascal.
Pascal.
Blaise Pascal. EDSEC, ENIAC, ADVAC, UNIVAC were which generation computer?
Selection fast.
Fast.
First
First
generation
generation.
computer. Which part of CPU is called the nerve system?
Control unit.
Control
Control
unit.
unit. CU.
CU. Which city is known as Silicon Valley of India?
Bangalore.
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 उत्तर बहिरे कौन एटा भर देले ओ सिलिकॉन रु भर देथिबे ठीक बेंगलुरु IC was invented by whom? Integrated circuit. Jones Bergelius. ऑप्शन टिके भाबियो पड़ियो खोजी खोजी.
Option.
Jones Bergelius, von Neumann, William Shockley, Jack Kilby.
Von Neumann.
JS Kilby.
JS Kilby.
Very good, very good. Jack Kilby. World Computer Literacy Day is observed on which day?
October 2.
December 2.
Sorry, December 2. Sorry.
December 2. Which high-level languages like COBOL and Fortran were developed during which generation?
Chari.
Third. 4.
Fourth generation.
COBOL and Fortran, second generation.
Second.
Magnetic tape as a memory was used in which generation?
Third.
Magnetic tape, second generation. Second generation. Transistor was invented by whom?
Second. Hormone.
No.
Option.
William Shockley.
William Shockley.
Integrated circuit was used during which generation?
Second.
Third.
Third generation.
Third
Third
generation.
generation. Third generation. Transistor was used in which generation?
Second.
Second.
Second generation. Microprocessor was used during which generation computer?
Fourth.
Fourth generation.
Fourth. The operating system MS-DOS, disk operating system, was used for the first time in which generation computer?
Fourth.
Fourth generation. Fourth. The first supercomputer manufactured in India was what?
Param 8,000.
Around
Sorry,
800.
100.
100 na 8000?
8,000.
800.
कौन कौच?
1,000.
8,000.
8,000. Fastest supercomputer in India is Param Siddhi. World's fastest supercomputer is?
Cray 1.
No.
World's fast supercomputer. Fastest.
Hi, Tihan.
Fugaku.
Frontier, USA.
हाँ फ्रंटियर तक टॉपिक गलानी सर ओटे
टॉपिक गलानी कौन से फुगाकू?
Fugaku Japan ro.
Japan. What is the full form of modem?
Modular demodulus.
Modulator, demodulator. What is also known as USB flash drive?
Pen drive.
Pen drive. Fast calculating device abacus was invented in which country?
USA.
China.
China.
First supercomputer developed in 1976 was what? Cray 1.
One.
Grade one.
A1.
C programming language was developed in which generation?
Fourth.
Fourth generation.
Third generation.
Third.
Fourth generation computers were based on which scale integration?
Ultra
Very
large
large.
scale.
Fifth
Ultra
also
large
ultra.
scale.
Very large scale.
Very large scale, VLSI. Laptops and palm tops of high level language were manufactured in which generation?
Fifth generation.
Fourth generation.
Fourth.
Fourth. Internet was expanded in which generation?
Fifth.
Fifth
Hello.
generation. Fifth. Java, Visual Basic, and Net high level
Three.
languages were introduced in which generation?
Three, sir.
Fifth.
Fifth
Third.
generation. Fifth generation. Java, VB ହେଲା Visual Basic and Net. ULSI microprocessors are based on which generation?
Fifth.
Fifth generation.
Fifth generation.
Fourth. Fifth.
Fugaku is the world's fastest supercomputer of which country?
Japan.
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 Who is known as father of Indian supercomputer?
Yeah.
Two.
Vijay
कौन विजय
Bhatkar. Vijay Bhatkar.
भटकर.
विजय भटकर.
Indian Institute of Remote Sensing is located in which city?
Bangalore.
Bangalore.
IIRS. Dehradun. Indian Institute of Remote Sensing. Input device, CPU and memory unit and output device are part of what?
Computer.
Computer. Computer. What is the full form of VGA?
Visual.
Video graphics array.
Visual.
Video graphics array.
Video graphics array. Video graphics array. Hard disk is a temporary storage device or permanent storage device?
Permanent.
Permanent.
Permanent. Which is known as heart of the computer?
CPU.
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 CPU. CPU. In CPU, there is a dash for internal storage.
Control unit.
Control unit. Nuhe. Memory
Unit.
unit. Memory unit or register. Working speed of computer is measured in what?
Beat करो.
Megahertz.
Mega.
Working speed of computer is measured in megahertz. Pixels are the smallest parts of a what?
Image.
Picture.
Image.
बिल्कुल image or picture. The device that is externally connected to a computer is known as what device?
Output.
Output
नहीं.
device.
हाँ.
Peripheral device. Peripheral device.
Peripheral device.
Keyboards are of how many types? Keyboards. Two types.
Wait.
Two types.
Serial and parallel. The main system board of a computer is what?
Hard disk.
Motherboard.
Hard.
Motherboard.
Motherboard. Motherboard.
Motherboard.
Dash ensures uninterrupted power supply to the computer.
UPS.
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 The famous mathematician John von Neumann introduced the concept of what in 1945?
Cal.
CPU ର ଗୋଟେ part ବାହାର କରିଥିଲେ.
ALU.
ALU.
Arithmetic unit.
ALU.
Arithmetic logic unit.
Unit.
ଏବେ ଦେଖିବା କିଏ କେତେ ଭଲସେ ଜାଣିଛି. Which is the largest computer? Mainframe, mini, micro, super.
Super.
Mainframe.
Mainframe computer. Largest କହୁଛି. Which type of computers use the 8-bit code EBCDIC? Mainframe, mini, micro, super.
Micro.
Mini.
8-bit code called EBCDIC.
Mini.
Mainframe computer. Which of the following was an early mainframe computer? Fontria, Brainiac, ENIAC, Unique.
ENIAC.
ENIAC,
Enya.
very good. ENIAC, ENISC was early mainframe computer. Mainframe computers are used in which sector? Banking, health, government, all of these.
All of this.
All of these. All
All
of
of these. Computers that are used in large organizations such as insurance companies, banks, where many people frequently need to use same data, are which computer? Mini,
Mainframe
micro,
Mainframe.
computer.
mainframe, super.
Mainframe computer.
mainframe.
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 Mainframe computer. In a traditional mainframe environment, each user accesses the mainframe's resources through a device called what? Node, hub, terminal, switch.
Hub.
Terminal.
Terminal,
Terminal.
Terminal.
terminal. Who is known as father of supercomputing? David Brown, Gene Ambadal,
Cray.
Adam Dunkels, Seymour Cray.
Seymour
Seymour
Cray.
Time or
Cray.
Cray.
Seymour Cray.
Seymour Cray. Weather forecasting can be done using what? PC, mega computer, supercomputer,
Supercomputer.
all of these.
Supercomputer.
Supercomputer.
Super.
Supercomputer, बिल्कुल. Supercomputers are sometimes called what? Parallel computers, serial computers, mainframe computers, all of these.
Parallel.
Parallel.
Parallel computers, बिल्कुल. Which is India's fast supercomputer? Param, Biochrome,
Param 8000.
Parama.
Padma,
Parama.
Param.
Param Yuba,
Param.
Param 8000.
Quasar. बिल्कुल. Param 8000. Cray supercomputer was patented by whom? Patented
Being
by whom? Same. Answer same.
Seymour
Seymour.
Cray.
Seymour
Simon
Cray.
Cray.
Time or Cray.
बिल्कुल. Where was India's first computer installed? IIT Delhi, IISC Bangalore,
Bangalore.
IISCO Burnpur,
Bangalore.
Indian Statistical Institute Calcutta.
Calcutta. Calcutta.
Calcutta.
Indian Statistical Institute Calcutta. Word length for supercomputer ranges up to how many bits? 16, 32, 64, 128. Word length
120.
for supercomputer range.
128.
ଆମେ ଯୋଉ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ଧରୁ ମୁଖ୍ୟତଃ କୋଉ ବିଟ୍ କେତେ ବିଟ୍ ଥାଏ?
64.
64 ଥାଏ ଆମର।
512.
ନାଇଁ 512 16 ବିଟ୍ ନହେଲେ 32 ବିଟ୍ ଥାଏ। ତ ସୁପର କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟରର ୱାର୍ଡ ଲେନ୍ଥ ରେଞ୍ଜ ଥାଏ 64 ବିଟ୍ସ। Which called father of supercomputers in India? Rangaswamy Narasimhan, Kiran Karnik, Vijay P. Bhatkar, none of these.
Bhatkar.
BJP
Vijay
Bhatkar.
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 विजय एठी अच्छी बोधे विजय ना विजय कहीं नहीं विजय नेक्स्ट these computers are lower to mainframe computers in terms of speed and storage capacity. Which is this computer? Hybrid, mainframe, super, mini.
Mini.
Hybrid.
Hybrid. Hybrid.
Lower to mainframe computers in terms of speed and storage capacity. Mini computer.
Mini.
Mini computer. The terminal which performs some processing operations but does not have any storage is called which terminal? Dumb terminal, super terminal, low terminal, intelligent terminal.
Load terminal.
Intelligent terminal. Terminal which performs some processing operations but does not have any storage is called intelligent terminal. Who invented punch card? Charles Babbage, John
Hormone Hollerith.
Lawrence,
Herman Hollerith.
Hormone Hollerith.
Hollerith.
Herman Hollerith. बिल्कुल. Which is used in first generation for storage? Magnetic drum, IC, vacuum tubes, floppy disk.
Vacuum tube.
Vacuum
Vacuum
tube.
tube.
For storage,
Optics.
Floppy disk.
magnetic drum.
Optic. Magnetron.
Magnetic drum is used in first generation for storage. Which generous electrical components are used in fifth generation computers? Transistors,
Ice.
integrated circuits, vacuum,
Artificial intelligence.
ULSI
Yes.
microprocessor.
UL.
ULSI.
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 ULSI microprocessor. Which language was used by second generation computers? Assembly language,
Assembly.
machine language, low level language, high level language.
Assembly.
Assembly language.
Machine language.
Assembly language was used in second generation computers.
So fast.
What does ASCII stand for?
American
American
Standard
American.
Code
Standard
for
Code
America.
Information Interchange.
America.
American Standard Code for Information
American
Interchange.
Intelligence Code.
American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Which of the following computers cannot support multiple users simultaneously? Mainframe, mini, micro, all of these.
Mini.
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 Microcomputers cannot support multiple users simultaneously. What is another name of personal computer? Micro,
PC.
private,
Mini. Mini.
distinctive,
Mini.
Mini.
individual.
Mini.
Mini.
नहीं मिनी कहले कौन हबो? Which is another name of personal computer? Micro computer, private computer, distinctive computer, individual
Private.
computer.
Micro.
Micro computer, micro. ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ पर्सनाल कंप्यूटर रे यूज करी हुए दी जण एका संगे गोटे कंप्यूटर करि परिबेनी. So that is why PC is known as microcomputer. Desktop and laptop computers are also known as what? Mini, micro,
PC.
mainframe, server.
Mini.
Micro.
Mini.
Mini
Micro.
computer.
Mini.
Micro.
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 अरे
Micro.
ସେଇଟା ତ पर्सनाल कंप्यूटर कहलानी डेस्कटॉप लैपटॉप सब तो सेम ही गला. माइक्रो कंप्यूटर्स. व्हाट इज द फास्ट मिनी कंप्यूटर? परम 8000, मार्क 1, पीडीपी 1, यूनिभैक.
PDP.
Mark
Mark
one.
one. Mark
PPPD.
one.
पीडीपी 1.
PDP.
PDP 1 was the first mini computer. Mini computers are also called what? Hybrid computer, supercomputer, mid-range computer, analog computer.
Analog computer.
Analog.
Mid-range computer. Mid-range computer. Speed of a processor chip is measured in which unit? Mbps, MHz, beats per second, bytes per second.
Beat per second.
Beat per second.
MHz, megahertz.
Megahertz.
Speed of processor chip. Which is the first computer to use keep program concept? Which is the first computer to use program concept? Univac, EDSAC, ENIAC.
It's a
It's
EDSAC,
ENIAC.
EDSAC,
Univac.
EDSAC. Electrical delay, storage, automatic. तापरे
Computer.
कंप्यूटर ना
Computer.
कैलकुलेटर?
Computer.
Calculator.
Computer.
Calculator. It was world's first practical computer that used stored program design principle. It was built using von Neumann machine model that used stored program design principle. In which generation microprocessors were introduced?
Third.
Fourth. Fourth.
Fourth.
Fourth generation. Is in which generation time sharing, real time networks, and distributed operating system was used?
Fourth.
Fourth generation.
Fourth.
Batch processing was mainly used in which generation?
Third.
First
Third.
generation. First generation. Batch processing. The major talking point of fifth generation computers are what?
Artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence.
LCI.
Major talking point है artificial intelligence. मुख्यतः ICs were generally made of what? Germanium, silicon, copper, all of these.
Silicon.
Silicon.
All of this.
Silicon.
Silicon.
All of
नाम all of these केंद्र.
Silicon.
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 silicon. Silicon.
In which generation the operating system was used for the first time?
First generation.
Third.
Third. Third
Third
generation.
generation.
Third.
Third generation. ନେକ୍ସଟ ଆଉ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? ଭୋକାଲି। ଆଉ ଭୋକାବୁଲାରି ଟାଇମ୍ ନାହିଁ ଆଉ, କାଲି ଦେଖିବା। ଏତିକି ଥାଉ। ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ, ଗୁଡ୍ ନାଇଟ୍।